And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Nick Morganelli.
Good morning. Good to be with you on this February 2nd. And we've got the comet making its closest pass to the Earth. I believe it was yesterday. The Green Comet. And this is the name of it. This picture was from Gilbert Plumer in Florida. And you can see this comet tonight. It'll be a clear sky. Tomorrow night, too, but it's going to be too cold to be outside tomorrow night. Northern sky near the Little Dipper. Get binoculars or a telescope and check it out. Just look low in the northeastern sky. This is once in a lifetime. I think it comes back in about 50,000 years. So that's, it was just discovered this past year. Pattern shift. This is why we've got this Arctic blast coming in. We've got this strong jet stream that is keeping all the storminess off to the south. They've got wintry weather, ice and snow from Dallas to Memphis and off the mid-Atlantic. South of that is rain, but the Arctic cold is coming in because the jet stream takes a dip to the south over the eastern half of the U.S. And when it dips, it allows all that cold air in the upper levels of the atmosphere to move in, and it comes in here too. I want to give you some good news, though. This is the good news. The February 6th to the 10th. Check out the map here as we go at that date. We're looking at temperatures that'll be much above normal in southern New England. So already on the 7-day forecast, you'll see a 50 on there. I'll show you that in just a minute. Satellite and radar, there's that weather we talked about, that jet stream flow right there with the northern fringe of that is a very treacherous wintry weather with ice and snow. And we look off to the north. Look at all the clear sky, Winnipeg. That's where the Arctic air is right there. There's the boundary. That's the leading edge of it, and it's coming in here. So let's go to the maps, and we'll show you first what's going on with the timing of this. Temperatures drop all day tomorrow. So it starts off at the highest temperature in the morning will be in the upper 20s. Afternoon sub-zero wind chill, and the feel-like temperatures that will be the worst Friday night and into early Saturday morning, 20 to 30 below zero for the wind chill factor. And the thermometer goes below zero by Saturday morning at sunrise. Here's the map, how it looks. We've got high pressure now with light wind, but that cold front is in this position by 5 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and it is just moving through. So it might come through with a flurry. You'll notice the wind picking up out of the northerly direction when that comes in. And then the wind starts really getting gusty during the day on your Friday. So much so it causes all this ocean effect snow out in here. There's a sea spray warning for freezing spray warning from the National Weather Service for the water getting kicked up and freezing on objects, especially vessels, boats. And here comes the Arctic air. It slides in. This is Friday at 10 o'clock. And it's with us through Saturday and into Sunday morning, and then it starts to release its grip on New England. So here are the futurecast winds. We go from 2 o'clock tomorrow. They're already gusting 25 to 35 miles per hour. They continue to gust in that manner right through the evening. So a 25 to 35 mile an hour wind with the temperatures dropping through the teens and then into the single numbers in the evening. Today, 38. This is mild stuff compared to what we have coming tomorrow. Light wind, too. Overnight lows tonight will be in the teens, and that will happen around midnight. And then the temperature is actually going to start to warm just a little bit ahead of that cold front, but then they're going to crash tomorrow. So look at Friday in the morning, the wind chill Friday morning in the single numbers already. And that's the front that's just passed through. Then we go below zero by 1 o'clock. We are 20 below zero by 9 o'clock Friday night. If you have plans to go outside, it's going to be incredibly cold, 25 to 30 degrees below zero. And that weather is only here until Sunday morning, like I said. And then look at that. Sunday, it's 42 in the afternoon. When we get into the mid to upper 40s, we reach 50 by Wednesday. Unbelievable turnaround, but we got to deal with the cold for a couple of days, Tiffany.
Unbelievable indeed.